you are sick. You go to the pharmacy, but you don't know what to say.
You need medicine, but the words don't come. You feel embarrassed. You stay quiet. You leave without the help you needed.
That should never happen.
Today, we will give you 50 real English sentences for the pharmacy. These are sentences real people use every day.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say. Hello everyone, I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to English Cast Duo. This lesson is for A1 and A2 learners, beginners and intermediate students.
We will teach you sentences for 4 real situations: asking for help, describing your symptoms, understanding instructions, and paying.
These are not textbook sentences. These are real-life sentences, the kind you need right now.
Here is how to use this video. We say a sentence, then you repeat it out loud.
Don't just listen. Say it with us. Copy our rhythm. Copy our speed.
This is called shadowing, and it works.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Maybe your English is not perfect yet. That is okay.
This is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment. Just real practice with 2 real voices.
Every sentence you say today is one step closer to confidence. We are proud of you for being here.
Part 1. Asking for help. These are the first sentences you say when you walk into the pharmacy. Listen and repeat.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Excuse me. Can you help me?
I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
Do you have anything for a cold?
Do you have anything for a cold?
I'm looking for pain medicine.
I'm looking for pain medicine.
I have a prescription from my doctor.
I have a prescription from my doctor.
Can I get this without a prescription?
Can I get this without a prescription?
Where's the medicine for fever?
Where's the medicine for fever?
Is this available over the counter?
Is this available over the counter?
I need something for my child. She is 5 years old.
I need something for my child. She's 5 years old.
Can you recommend something for allergies?
Can you recommend something for allergies?
Is there a cheaper option?
Is there a cheaper option?
Do you have the generic version?
Do you have the generic version? You just practiced 12 real sentences. You are doing very well.
If you are still here right now, that tells us something about you. You don't quit. Most people stop here, but you didn't.
Let's keep going. Part 2 is coming, and it is very important.
Part 2, describing your symptoms. The pharmacist will ask you, "What is wrong?" or "What are your symptoms?" Here is how you answer. I have a headache.
I have a headache.
My throat hurts.
My throat hurts.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
I have a stuffy nose.
I have a stuffy nose.
I can't stop coughing.
I can't stop coughing.
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts.
I feel nauseous.
I feel nauseous.
I have a rash on my arm.
I have a rash on my arm.
My eyes are itchy and red.
My eyes are itchy and red.
I've had this pain for 2 days.
I've had this pain for 2 days.
The pain gets worse at night.
The pain gets worse at night.
I am allergic to penicillin.
I am allergic to penicillin.
You have practiced 25 sentences. You are halfway through.
25 real sentences. Think about that. 6 months ago, you might not have known any of these.
Stay with us. Part 3 is about understanding the pharmacist. This part will save you from many mistakes.
Part 3. Understanding instructions. Sometimes the pharmacist speaks fast. You don't understand. Here is what to say, and what they might tell you.
How many times a day do I take this?
How many times a day do I take this?
Should I take it with food?
Should I take it with food?
Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
Can I take this with other medicine?
Can I take this with other medicine?
Can you say that again, please? More slowly.
Can you say that again, please, more slowly?
I don't understand. Can you write it down for me?
I don't understand. Can you write it down for me?
Take 1 tablet twice a day.
Take 1 tablet twice a day.
Take it every 8 hours.
Take it every 8 hours.
Do not take more than 4 tablets a day.
Do not take more than 4 tablets a day.
This medicine can make you sleepy.
This medicine can make you sleepy.
Drink plenty of water with this.
Drink plenty of water with this.
See a doctor if it gets worse.
See a doctor if it gets worse. You are almost there. Just 13 more sentences.
You didn't stop. That is rare. That is something to be proud of.
The last part, paying and leaving, is the easiest. You already know most of these words. Let's finish strong.
Part 4. At the counter. You have your medicine. Now you pay and leave. Here's how. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Do you accept insurance?
Do you accept insurance?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
I'd like to pay in cash.
I'd like to pay in cash.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Is this the right medicine for me?
Is this the right medicine for me?
Can I return this if it doesn't work?
Can I return this if it doesn't work?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
You have been very helpful.
You have been very helpful.
I'll come back if I need anything else.
I'll come back if I need anything else.
Could you check if my prescription is ready?
Could you check if my prescription is ready?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
I'll wait here. Thank you.
I'll wait here. Thank you. Congratulations. You have completed 50 real English sentences for the pharmacy.
Say this with us. I can speak English at the pharmacy.
I can speak English at the pharmacy.
We are proud of you. Seriously. That was not easy, but you did it.
Now, tell us in the comments, which sentence was new for you? Write it below. We read every comment.
If this video helped you, please share it with one friend who is learning English. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to us.
I'm Alex.
I'm Mia. See you in the next episode. Keep shining and keep learning.